Hi guys, I'm hoping this makes your life easier, but if it doesn't, then just skip this video. But I wanted a way that I could quickly log communication with parents and it would be organized and I wouldn't have to worry about finding my little sheet. Um, so this might be the solution for you. The only thing I ask is that you make a copy of the form that I sent out and you can edit it, make it your own to meet your needs, okay? Um, but it is a really efficient, fun way that actually I didn't come up with, but a teacher that I follow on social media came up with, and I just think it's a really fabulous idea. So here's the idea, is that you bookmark this and then you fill it out every time you're talking to a parent. So here's kind of the idea, is that you would be able to type in and just quickly click as you're talking to the parent, or maybe right after you talk to the parent. But that's kind of the idea. So what I have here is what works best for my classroom, but feel free to edit. So I would just type in the student name. I would click on the period number. I'll show you guys how this looks in a second in preview mode. The reason for contacts, these are my go-tos, but you might have other ones. A place for you to describe the issue, the type of contacts. Again, if you have better ways, then add them to the list. And then how many times I attempted to contact them, and any additional notes that I wanted to include. Okay, so if this sounds like something you want to do, the way that you would do it after you have your form made, okay, is you would go to preview mode up here with the eyeball. I think that's what it is. And you would just be able to type in the student's name. Let's see, test student, we'll do 5. Let's say they're in period 3, okay. Reason for contact. You guys could do drop down, or you could make it multiple choice if you'd rather have that. Let's just say they had missing work. I could write what it was, okay. I could choose that I called home and I left a voicemail. Let's say it was my first attempt, and in the, let's say, voicemail, I said that it needs to be turned in by Friday, okay. Okay, and then that's it. I just submit, okay. And I can do as many of these as I wanted to, but if you want to actually see your log, or you need to access your log, it can be found in your sheets if you've already created one, or you can go back to the edit screen and look at the responses. Click this box right here and it'll link you to your sheet, or it'll ask you to make a new sheet, which you would just click a box. And here you go. You have it time stamped, okay, with the date. So you don't even have to organize it that way. You could easily Control F and search out a student's name, student number 4, right? And it'll show where a student is. You could organize it by period. You could organize it by, whatever the description was. It's just easy access, okay? So hopefully this makes your life easy. And